Hello again, welcome to the shop. This is Randy. In today's video we're going to be doing part 3 of the cylinder head reconditioning, where I'll be putting them in the fixture on the mill and machining the head gasket surface. Unfortunately, in the first part of this video I'm remaking this introduction because I didn't record the introduction even though I thought I had. So I can't show you the fixture itself because I have everything put away and have the mill all cleaned up. That's the way it goes sometimes. But anyway, machining the head gasket surface on the cylinder heads is going to be the focus of this video. Hope you enjoy it. See you soon. Bye-bye. Alright, raise that machinist jack up here a little bit, re-zeroed the dial indicator. We'll run this back and we'll see how it goes here. Off about 1,000. Let me do a little readjusting here on this and we'll bring it right back. Alright, got this machinist jack in the back of the cylinder head adjusted, re-zeroed the dial indicator, and we'll sweep this back and forth and see what we look like. That looks good right there. I'm going to move the head over to the other side, re-sweep the other side, and then we should be ready to cut. Be right back. Bringing the head back across over to the other side, and we'll sweep that one back and forth, see where we're at, and should be ready to start cutting on the head. Be right back. All right, we're back. I got the dial indicator positioned on the right hand side of the cylinder head, and we'll run this back and forth and see where we are. It's zeroed right now, so we'll see what happens. We're out about 7 thousandths on this end, so the head's got a little bit of twist in it. Now I got to figure out here what I'm going to do. I'll be right back. Okay, we're back. I raised the machinist jack under the back of the cylinder head here 4 thousandths, and we'll run this back across, and then we'll recheck the other side. Evidently the head has got twist in it this way. That's just under 2 thousandths there. We'll go back the other way, and I'll take a little bit of that, a little bit of that out of it, and we'll check the other side. All right, let me loosen this up here just a little bit here. That's 2 thousandths right there. Reset this to 0. This is the hardest part of surfacing the cylinder heads is getting them close. Sometimes they're not flat this way, or they got a twist in them. You kind of average it out, and it is what it is. All right, we're sitting at about 4 thousandths right there. So we'll bring it back over to the other side. It's high right here. So theoretically, that corner back over there should be high and this corner should be low. But we'll see what we got. And we're sitting just under 4 thousandths there. We'll go back the other way. And we're at about 3. So it's within 1/1000th of an inch. That's about as good as you're going to get. You're not going to get it perfect. So we'll call that good. I'm going to take the dial indicator off of here, and I'm going to have to lower the head down a little bit, reposition the head, and we'll get ready to make a test cut. See you in a minute. Be right back. Okay, reposition the camera here so you can see a little bit better. I'm going to run this table back just a little bit more here. And we'll run this down. Set my dial indicator up here. All right, I'm gonna be running this at 310 RPM. We'll touch off here and we'll take a light skim pass. Close we are, just about touching. In fact, it did touch. Lock that right there. Set this at our zero. Just zero our indicator up here for a backup. And we'll give it a try. See what happens. The cutter that I'm using, I've got two brazed carbide bits in it. I bought it out of just a rough piece of steel and machined it and put the grooves in it, put the set screws in it. It's got 3 set screws that hold it, the bit in the groove, and there's 1 set screw at the bottom, at the outside edge, for adjusting the depth of the cutters. Works really good. You just don't want to get your hands anywhere near it because it'll do some serious damage. I'm going to let this continue to cut here. I'll bring it back when the first cut is finished. Be right back. Alright, we're back. Just about finished with the first cut. And as you can see, it's cutting further over toward the back of the cylinder head on this end. right, that pass is done. Turn these cutters out of the way here, and we'll run this back. Okay, we'll take a 2/1000 cut. We'll add another 2/1000 to it here, and we'll see what happens. That's 2/1000 right there. Start this back up, and we'll go the other way. This is some of that vernilling I was talking about yesterday in the previous video, where the sealing ring of the head gasket will actually compress the aluminum. Bring it back here in a bit when we're just about finished with this cut. Be right back. Alright, we're just about finished with the second cut. We'll let this run completely across, and we'll have a look. So far I've taken 3/1000 off the head. Just ever so slightly skimming it here on the back side. I'll bring you over. You can see what it's doing on the back side there. Just lightly touching it, just skimming it. Bring it back here in just a minute. Be right back. All right, we're back, and as you can see, the far corner over here, the cutter did not catch. That's because of the twist in the head. Nothing you're going to do about it. It's just one of them things that happens. We'll make another cut here. We'll take another 3/1000 cut, and that should be it. Get this set back up here, and We'll make it happen. Alrighty. More WD-40 on there. Kick the RPM up here a little bit. Okay. Here we go. This would be 5 thousandths total. Brought the RPM up to 450 RPM and slowed the feed rate down for a little better finish for the final. Looks like that far end of the cylinder heads is going to clean up. So we'll let this continue to cut and I will bring it back as soon as it's done. Be right back. And there you have it. The head's all done. This one here is all set to go. I'm going to take this head off the fixture, put the other head on it, machine it exactly the same way, and I'll bring it back when we're all done. See you in a little while. Bye. All right, we're back. Both the heads have been machined. Washed them, did the final wash on them, and The finish is really good. So that's going to put a wrap on this part 3 of reconditioning these cylinder heads. In the next part of the video, I'm going to be talking about reassembling the cylinder heads, checking the piston install height, and I'll also be showing you back cutting the rest of the valves. I have to do that yet, and then measuring the springs, and then it will just be installing the springs, the seals, retainers, the locks, all that, and then these heads would be ready to be bagged up, waiting for the crankshaft, the rods, and the pistons to come back from the machine shop getting balanced, and then it will be final assembly. And after final assembly, I'll be putting it on my run stand, running the motor, putting the heat in it, checking for leaks. After we put a couple of heat cycles on it, we'll let it cool and pull the valve train back off, retorque the heads, and then it will be going to the dyno. So thanks again for watching. Have a good day, and we'll see you later. Bye-bye.